what's up, everybody? Got a $30 session here today. Got the $20 money ticket, and I got a $10 200 million cash explosion ticket. So we're gonna start with the $10 ticket. Ticket number 21. The money bags are instant, or that 20x symbol for 20 times. Go symbol hunt. See if we can't find one of those symbols. Oh, last spot. We did find that money bag. So we know we got a winning ticket. We got an instant win. See if we can match a number with it. 29. Nope, 29. 25. Nope. 4. Got 2, 3, 5. No 4. 40. Can we get a number match to go with that money bag? 14. No 14. 21. No 21. And 19. Do we got a 19? No 19. So just that money bag. What we got? $10. Got a money back on that one. Take that. So we got a money ticket. Looking for, we're gonna symbol hunt on this one. We're looking for a multiplier, 2x, 5x, or a 10x on this side. Alright, we can find any of those symbols if we can match a number. 19. We had that on the other ticket too. No 19. Number 1. I haven't seen number 1. 8. We got 7, 9, 8. 20. No 20. And 17. No 17. So no luck on game 1. Let's see if we can find that stacked coins or a gold bar over here. No symbols over here. Let's see if we can't find a number match. 43. 53. Nope. 35. No 35. No 33. 36. All these 30s. Nope. Last chance. There's another 30 is 32. We got 52. So we did not have any luck on the money ticket. Hey, we did get $10 back. So it wasn't a bust session. But I thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.